Okay, so today we are looking at this, the Orico High Speed Solid State Performance. So for those that are still using things like USB sticks, which if this is as fast as it kind of claims, this may not be a bad option for even editing off of. So they make this, just so you guys can see, an Oraco USB, which is this one, 64 gig. Now that's not huge, but I believe they do make bigger ones, like 256 gigs. But the key here is 450 megabytes per second. That's like solid state speed. This is a USB-A version. Now this is the read speed. Now I'm also curious about what the write speed is. Now they do make, if you look down here, a 520 megabytes per second version. And if you click on this, they do make these in a USB-C. Oh, so this was actually sent to us. This is a USB 3.2 Gen 1. Now, I don't know how, if the Mac will allow this to go as fast as it can be. So I have my Mac down here and I have a Windows computer, which I do believe has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. So we're going to test it on both. Okay, so this is the box. What's in it? My guess is it's a drive. That's going to be it, and it's a drive that I can't seem to open. Yep. Anyways, here we go. Nothing overly exciting. We get a little strap. Nice for those that want to hold it, I guess. Oh, that's heavy. I wish I could show you how heavy that is, but that's got some weight to it for sure. There's where you're going to put your little strap through. But yeah, that's not bad. I'm curious now, because for traveling, if this is kind of gets the speed that it kind of says it would, for $60 to get a 256 gig version, well, that may not be bad. And apply a 30% coupon right now. All right. Okay. It does have some instructions in there, I guess, right there. You guys can see it. It's a USB-C stick or USB-A stick. Mine's USB-A, right? So you can see it. There it is, USB-A, right there. But yeah, that's probably one of the nicest USB sticks I've ever used. As weird as that is to say. Let's do this. Let's hide all this. Okay. And I have to bring over like a dongle. This is an Apple dongle. We're going to plug that in there. Okay. And yes, allow accessory. We're going to plug this in here, which should bring that over. You guys can see it. There it is right there, right? This should show up. Oraco. So for number one, let's just see what it is. Is it exFAT? Good. That's all I need it to be is exFAT. And we're going to bring up Blackmagic speed test. And we're going to select the disk, select target. Yep. Where it is, Oracle, open, start, just to get some ideas. So write isn't even that bad. Write, we're getting, like, it's not a solid state speed, but it's faster than a spinning drive. We're getting 170, because one of the faster spinning drives that I have, I don't know, maybe 120, 130. Just 170, right? That's pretty consistent at 170. But let's see what it does for the actual reads. Okay, because that's where it says it gets its speed, yes? Right? So, boom. So I'm not getting the 400 that they say I'm getting, but I am getting 309, 310 possibly on the Mac. 300, will I get 310? Almost 310. Okay, it gives us an idea. That gives us an idea, right? That's decent. Can I edit? I would say you could edit off that. You could edit 4K. I'd probably proxy it. But actually, when I bring this back up here on this one, sorry, wrong one. I'm all over the place here. It does say, yeah, see, it does say I could do, 2160p 25 pretty much across the board. So 4K 24 frames. Yeah, you'd be okay. Would be would be my guess. So we got this fine fella up here. You just need to see the screen. And I can plug this one now in direct. So this is going just right in there. And I don't have like, this one always comes up and says there's problems. I think it's because it went in the Mac first. Because it usually says, do you want to fix it? And then it doesn't do anything. Whatever. Open folder, sure. Okay, so because I don't have anything here necessarily to do a speed test, I have a file here, a Sony file, that has about 20 gigs worth of data in it. So I'm going to move this here, ready? And it should tell us the speed. Okay, so ready? Up it comes. Let's see more details. What kind of speed are we getting? And this is writing to it, right? So we're in that ballpark again, right? 161, 163, 165, right? I think we hit 170 during the speed test. This is giving us 165-ish. So, and that's going to be, no, sorry, this is being written to. This is your write speed. So pretty much on par with what the Mac did. So we'll just let this finish. Actually, a minute and 15 seconds to move over about 20 gigs. That's okay. I'm down with that. You can see it right there. Maybe you guys can see it. It's chewing through the stuff. All right, we'll fast forward this part for you, and we'll come back. And what we'll do is we'll actually delete that, and then we'll pull it from the USB stick so we can get a read, right? So that will be reading from it. Okay, patience, my friends. All right, so we're finished. And again, not as fast as a solid state, but definitely faster than a spinning drive. I'd say you're just about, I don't know, a third to a half of the speed of a solid state, depending on what kind of solid state you get. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to delete this file off the desktop so that we can move it back. Hold on. No, because I don't want both of these gone. Just this one. Delete. Okay. And we're going to take this, ready, and move it here. And now we're going to be reading from it. 350. So again, I'm not getting the 400 that they say, but I am hovering around 350. So again, as far as USB sticks, that's still pretty good. Pretty consistent between 300. We're slowing down a little bit. No, we're back up 300. But it hits. It's just pretty rock solid, right around that 330 to 350. Right? You see it climbing again right here, 340, 335. Yeah, and again, like that extra bit of speed, like what is it, 30 seconds maybe or so to copy 20 gigs worth of data? That's reasonable. Done. Look at that. Boom. You know what? These are a pretty good price. And if you're not necessarily needing the full speed, let's say, of an actual SSD, right? Because of course you're going to get SSDs for that are faster for sure, and you can get even faster SSDs if you want to pay the money for them. But if you want something just kind of portable that you can use to move files back and forth, or for me, being able to take some files when I'm on holidays and that, so I can kind of offload from my computer, just so it doesn't fill up all the space. This is a really good option. And the build quality, wow, just probably one of the best built little USB sticks that I've personally ever used, because it is solid, really solid. Now I'm curious to see if that faster one with the USB-C is faster than this. So maybe I should look at getting that. Hey, Oraco. Nice. All right, guys, I'll leave links down below where you can get this little guy, because I think that's pretty sweet. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. All right, guys, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and let me know if you guys have a USB stick that's even faster than this one, because I'd like to try it. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.